Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, we are going to explore the basics of silhouette photography. Silhouette photography is a great way to add drama, emotion, and mood to your images. It allows the viewer to read the photo with his or her own imagination. So let's see what it is.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Today we are going to discuss silhouette photography. A silhouette is defined as a view of an object or scene consisting of an outline and a featureless interior, with the silhouetted object usually being black.
Meaning a dark subject against a light background.
By hiding your subject in the darkness, silhouetting creates a sense of mystery in the photo, allowing the viewer to fill in the gaps and create his or her own story through the photo. There are 10 simple and convenient ways to click amazing silhouette photos.
A silhouette effect is created when a light source is placed behind the object with little or no light in front of the object.
If your subject is totally backlit with the right camera settings, you will be able to capture a spectacular silhouette shot. Make sure you turn off any strobes or flashes on the camera before you start clicking, and also avoid having any light source in front of the subject. If you are outdoors,
it is essential that the sun is relatively low above the horizon, which is why sunsets, sunrises, and winter days at higher latitudes are perfect for silhouette photography.
interesting subjects for silhouettes include people as well as birds, trees, and human-made structures. I am particularly fond of people silhouettes because they leave me curious as to who that person is and how they may look like.
When choosing your background, keep in mind that a plain bright background will look best.
Try to look for a background that does not have many distractions. Another tip is to get lower than you normally would.
This way you can capture your subject against a totally clear bright background without things like trees or buildings getting in the way.
In a silhouette photo, we are only gonna see the subject through its outline, which means we cannot have other elements merged into the subject.
If you had everyone huddled together or have objects like trees or buildings mixed with the subject, you are just going to see one big black blob. That's not going to make a great silhouette. So we have to make sure the shape of the subject is separate and clear.
You don't need any special equipment to capture your silhouette shots. You can use the camera and lens you have. You can also use your mobile phone or point and shoot camera. All you need to ensure is the light sources behind your subject and there is no or less light in front of your subject. You can set your exposure manually so that your background is clearly visible and your subject is underexposed. So to do that, you can focus on the light. Aperture can be around f8 or f11 so that you get good depth of field. ISO can be low and shutter speed can be fast. You can set your exposure compensation to -1, -2 so that your subject is dark enough. Spot metering works best for silhouettes. don't have to capture only still subjects as your silhouette shots. Since we are operating at fast shutter speeds, you can also think of capturing action and add drama to your images that way. If you're finding it difficult to capture action shots,
even having your subject to pose as though they are in the middle of an action might work.
silhouettes are supposed to be dark, but that doesn't mean the subject has to compulsorily be fully black.
A little color or detail showing in the silhouette photos entices the viewer to look closer.
When using the sky as a background, look for interesting formations and patterns in the clouds to see
how you can juxtapose them with your silhouette to create a truly unique photo. It is a good idea to increase contrast to make silhouettes stand out more. Similarly, you may reduce shadows, blacks, saturation, or reduce exposure to further enhance your silhouette.
If you are using filters, look for ones which can lessen the highlights and enhance the blacks in the photo so that the silhouette can come out in a better way. Here are some more examples of silhouette photography. Remember guys, there is no exact rule as to how to capture the best silhouette shot. With patience, experimentation and a little bit of luck, you will be able to capture spectacular silhouette photos. And if you like this video guys, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.